So large number of insurance brokers and corporate agents have received income tax notices in last 2 days, and these notices are under section 148, which triggers reassessment action. And as per our sources, the notices are related to the overriding commission payout before April 2023. So as we know that from 1st April 2023, single limit expenses of management rules were implemented, but before that there were sectorial caps were there on line of businesses, like for motor insurance, for health insurance, there were commission caps were there, but insurance companies were paying over and above commissions through other means also. Through midline business entities also, payments were made in form of marketing and promotion expenses. And as per the income tax department, the real assessment of income was not done. So that's why the large number of notices are sent to insurance brokers and insurance companies, corporate agents. So old cases are reopened under the window of 3 to 10 year window. And the trigger of this notices is through the Insight portal. There is a portal of Income Tax Department which has flagged this. So on that basis, the notices are sent. In the notices, I have also seen few notices. So search action was conducted, search and seizure operation was conducted in year November 2022 on the various middle layer business entities, and through the middle layer business entities, the evidence which was gathered by GST department also, and the same evidences were shared to the income tax department also, that excess payment was made as a marketing and promotion expenses, and no real services and expenses were given. So these notices are sent, but these are of year 2000, before year April 2023. So in coming days, these brokers and corporate agents will reply to income tax department.